Once upon a time, on the vibrant island of Motunui, there lived a brave girl named Moana. Moana had always been in love with the ocean, her eternal friend and protector. Together, they shared countless adventures. But one day, the ocean whispered to her about a mysterious jungle that needed her help. Curiosity tingled Moana's adventurous spirit. She prepared her canoe, taking a deep breath as the salty sea air embraced her. Accompanied by her mischievous rooster Heihei, who managed to stumble aboard, Moana set off on a new quest, leaving her island home behind. The journey was smooth, guided by the ocean's gentle waves. It wasn't long before they reached the edge of the unknown jungle. Lush greens and towering trees greeted them, whispering secrets of their ancient land. Moana tied her canoe to a sturdy branch and stepped onto the soft, mossy ground. The air was rich with the scent of exotic flowers and the sounds of hidden wildlife. As she ventured deeper, she noticed the jungle was alive but troubled. Guided by a path of glowing fireflies, Moana soon encountered a mighty waterfall. There, in the misty clearing, she met Tala, a wise spirit tied to the jungle. Tala explained that the heart of the jungle was in distress because a rare flower, the life source of this land, was wilting. Moana, determined to help, remembered the lessons from her people and her bond with nature. She listened closely to the rustling leaves and the sigh of wind. With the guidance of her friend, the ocean, she was led to the hidden grove of the rare flower. Guarded by a fierce jaguar spirit, the flower shimmered faintly. Recognizing Moana's pure heart, the jaguar allowed her closer. Moana gently cupped the flower, feeling its weakness. She sang a song of renewal, calling upon the strength of her ancestors and the nurturing power of nature. As her melody filled the air, the flower bloomed again, rejuvenating the jungle with its vibrant energy. The once dim forest was now bursting with life, colors painting every corner. Tala reappeared, thanking Moana for her bravery and gift of life. The jungle was safe once more. As a token of gratitude, Tala offered a special seed, a part of the jungle's heart, to be planted back in Moana's island. With a heart full of joy and accomplishment, Moana returned to the ocean. Together, they rowed back to Motunui, carrying with them the bond between land and sea, a reminder of courage, friendship, and the endless possibilities when they unite. And so, Moana, beloved by the ocean and earth alike, continued her journey, ever ready for the next adventure that had yet to unfold.